Hey there! If you're launching a membership in the new year, this video is for you. I was so excited. It gives you so much time. It gives you so much time back. It's unbelievable. I just kind of figured this out. So I decided to jump in and give you the rundown of what SEARCHIE is and how you can really leverage to create content and to excel at your membership. If you have a membership business or plans to go live with one, watch this video. If you don't want to miss anything on my channel, I'm talking about launching, I'm talking about new tax for digital entrepreneurs. Just sign up, ring the bell so you don't miss anything, okay? So let's dive right in. Let me show you what my SEARCHIE app looks like. So here is what you see. Inside the app, I have, don't worry too much about the nomenclature. It's a little bit different than what we are used to, but I just wanted to show you some really cool features that SEARCHIE has that I don't see in any other system. I already tested Teachable, Podia, Kajabi. Like none of those have those three things that I'm going to show you right now. So stay tuned. Like this is really cool. And I'm just implementing in my business right this week. Actually, I just created my first membership. It's still temporarily like a launch membership and you're seeing how it's going to look like. There will be a name. There will be a name for sure. So what I want to show you here is how to create videos. So definitely, for your membership, there's a lot of content that goes into it. There's a lot of creation and you want to kind of make that super easy on yourself, especially if you're doing a membership like mine that is just to support my current students. Is not really a business, is not really an offer as much as it is just kind of to support my students. So I want to make it easy on myself. And most of the content I am creating, it's like coaching calls, Q&A, and those are like really hard for people to search. So I'm going to show you three really, really cool things about SEARCHIE that I haven't seen anywhere. First, if you want to add media, obviously you can upload, you can connect to Facebook. Like they have a million different connections to make it super easy to upload. But what I really like is the record feature. I'm not going to go in, but like literally you can record straight from your desktop. Like I'm doing here, you can just go live and record your content. You can use, you can set up some other tabs, just like I'm doing right now on YouTube. You can do it straight into SEARCHIE. The other cool thing once you upload is you can go here and the transcript or the captions are automatically created. So when you create something, like I recorded those mini videos straight from my computer, and then you can see the transcriptions start right away. So you don't have to download the video, get the transcripts, put it back on, and then you can come here and literally just proofread, make sure that everything is, they capture everything. It is really accurate. I have to say, like, I'm really surprised how accurate it is. But that said, you can create your custom vocabulary and you can do some work here and proofread, replace if you have something else, whatever you want, but it's done for you like automatically. It takes just a few minutes to create and you can update. The third and final feature that I love SEARCHIE for is here you're seeing the backend, but for all your members, for everybody in your membership, they can come and look for their name, for example, or they can search for anything that they want to know more about. And the SEARCHIE really looks or search for those cues into any video in your membership. So let's say if the coaching call, this is the back end, but if you want to search, you will be able in the SEARCHIE membership to search for your name, for example, and then it will pop up, like you will go straight to the part of the video in which I am saying, for example, that I'm answering someone's name. So let's say Christy, one of my students, Christy, let's say she wants to know, when I answer. So like she can literally type, this is not how it works. Like I said, this is she can literally type her name and see in what part of the video, in what videos I am calling her name and telling her, giving her feedback, or as part of the Q&A. How does that look, guys? I was so shocked, and it's been less than a week that I've been using SEARCHIE, and I'm absolutely in love. I do have my courses in Kajabi, so I'm gonna do after I launch my membership in SEARCHIE, I'm gonna do a little comparison video, like try to figure it out what I like most about Kajabi, like keeping the courses in Kajabi versus the courses in SEARCHIE. I don't know much about courses yet, but the membership, hands down, if you're opening a membership, SEARCHIE has so much to offer, and it makes it so easy. I was so concerned that, this is not a main product. This is not a money generating activity for me. This membership, the launch membership, is really to support my students and the kits. When they buy a kit, they get into the membership to get that extra launch support. So I was blown away when I saw that you can just record straight in, you can upload your videos, and the transcripts are all there. Everybody just watches content now with the sound off. So this is all absolutely amazing. And the searching feature is so on point. So if you're looking for a membership, if you're creating a membership into 2021, I highly recommend SEARCHIE. Make sure you get subscribe, hit the bell, and get in my email if you want to get more tips about launching and creating a digital product. robertawest.com/roadmap. You get my workshop roadmap and all the other tips and tricks. Okay? All right, guys. See you next week.